In the 1890s, a world-famous drug company launched a brand new cough medicine. It came in sleek little bottles, promised fast relief, and it was called heroin. Yes, actual heroin. Made and marketed by Bayer, the same company that brought you aspirin. They called it a non-addictive alternative to morphine, and even gave it to kids with sore throats and colds. No prescription, no warnings, just instant calm. And long-term addiction? It wasn't until 1913 that Bayer stopped making it. History lesson. Always read the label, twice. If this blew your mind, I like AE, subscribe, and comment.